Hey BMW, where can I park?
Hello people, Bhargav here. You are watching Auto Thunder. Today I'm gonna talk about some interesting facts of BMW Museum. So let's get started. BMW Welt and BMW Museum are not the same thing. Yes, often people used to misunderstood this, but both are completely different. Admission to the BMW Welt is totally free. Tickets to the museum cost €10 per person. Moreover, the Welt is handy to the old Olympic village in Munich. From 1998, BMW Group owns Rolls-Royce and Mini. BMW does nothing to hide the fact that the entire point of their lavish building is to show off top models of BMW, Rolls-Royce and Mini. Customer can choose to collect their new BMW fresh off the line at BMW Welt if they wish, as the rest of us can take a look at, touch or sit in all BMW's production models. You can rent any car by the hour. If you are always wanted to drive a BMW, here is the thing. You can rent any BMW production model for an hour, an afternoon or a day basis. An M6 or an i8 can be used as little as for €75 per hour. Imagine yourself driving your favorite Rolls-Royce in Munich or on a highway. Here is a fact. About 70% of highways of Germany does not have speed limit. You can hire part of BMW Welt for a private function, a family celebration, a big meeting or even a new product launch. Speaking of BMW Museum, you can see the past and the future. Inside the BMW Welt, you can see models of all current BMW production models, including Rolls-Royce and Mini, as well as some older models. While some inventory isn't as comprehensive as you would find in the BMW Museum, there is still plenty to get excited about. Of course, guided tours are available for BMW Welt, the museum and for the production plant. The app will give you supplemental information on your phone or tablet based on where you are in the building. Also on display are BMW's concept cars. Gull Wingers are also one of them. That's it guys. I might have missed one or two points, but if you know any one of them, let me know down in the comments below. Till then, peace.